this video, you will receive step-by-step instruction and guidance through the process of reporting your COVID-19 tests through the EMU RECAP Portal. By the end of this training, you will be able to successfully locate the test reporting portal through emish.edu, fill out the test report form, which includes uploading a scanned PDF or JPEG of your test results, and to check that you've successfully completed this work. Start by opening the Eastern Michigan University website, emish.edu. At the top of the homepage, you'll see a gray banner that reads EMU Safe COVID-19 Resources and Fall 2021 Operations. Go ahead and click on this banner to open our EMU Safe page. This is the EMU Safe main page. It includes all the information you'll need regarding the COVID-19 procedures and guidelines in place here. Click this link to open the Vaccine and Test Information page. This page has information about uploading both your vaccine card and your weekly test results, depending on your vaccination status. As a reminder, students who are not fully vaccinated may be required to test weekly according to the Students Stay Safe program. Click the button labeled Report Vaccine Status and/or COVID Test Results. This is the Vaccine Attestation and COVID Test Form Q. You'll open this to submit your COVID tests. Click the Begin Survey button on the left-hand side of the COVID Test Attestation surveillance row. This is the test attestation form. You'll fill this out each time you need to submit a COVID test. Please indicate the date in which you received your COVID test. Next, please indicate what type of test you took. Rapid tests are antigen tests, deep nasal swabs or spit tests are nucleic acid amplification tests. Then, share your test results by clicking one of the 4 available options: positive, negative, invalid, or other. Lastly, but most importantly, take a picture or scan your test results page and upload either a JPEG or a PDF for us to validate your information. To do this, click the Upload File button. A window will open that will prompt you to find the file containing this information on your computer. Click the Browse button. Find your COVID test file and select it. Then, click Open once it's highlighted. Make sure that you've attached the correct file. Its name will appear to the right of the Browse button. Click Upload File to attach it to the form. It should show up in a small document preview like this. If you do not see the correct file, click the red Remove File button and re-upload the correct one. Once you are happy with all your answers and everything is inputted correctly, go ahead and click the Submit button at the bottom of the form. You've now successfully submitted your COVID test. You can check its completion by viewing the status of your COVID test attestation surveillance. If you've done everything correctly, you should see a green checkmark next to the word Completed. You may now close this page by clicking the Close Survey button. Great work reviewing this process. Following this demonstration, you should be confident in your ability to accomplish the following: locating the test reporting portal, filling out the test report form with a copy of your test results, and finally, checking your submission to confirm its completion. That concludes this training on submitting your COVID-19 test results for EMU. If you have any questions about anything that was discussed today, please don't hesitate to send an email to EMU Telehealth at emu_telehealth@emish.edu as it's listed on screen. We would be happy to clarify any confusion and answer your questions. To learn more about EMU's procedures and guidelines regarding COVID-19, please visit the Students Stay Safe program page at www.emish.edu/emusafe/studentsstaysafe.php. Thank you.